Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, if you also want to make your own PTC pay-per-click website, then you are on the right video. In this video, we are gonna make the complete website of PTC. So this is the solid PTC latest version script. So viewers, in this video, first of all, I'll give you the complete overview of this website. After that, I'll show you its admin panel and we will completely make this website from scratch. So be with us and watch this video till the end, and I'm gonna guide you completely about this. So viewers, if you want to buy this script or if you want us to build the complete website for you, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description, and you can buy this at a very reasonable price from us. And viewers, first of all, you can look at its amazing homepage. It has two different themes: logo, name, whatever text is on the homepage is changeable from admin panel. So you don't need to worry about anything. If you buy from us, we will provide you complete support with everything. So we will build it everything for you. Here you can add about your business, you can change the images from admin panel, and viewers, these are the plans of PTC. You can see how amazing its look is. Let me show you how amazing look of these plans is. So you can see $10 plan, daily ad limit, validity, withdrawals, referral bonuses. Here you can see different plans, and you can create these plans from admin panel. It's completely simple, and in this video I will show you how you can make the plans. Here is how it works section, so you can list how this website will work. So you can see how amazing this section is. It has also a referral feature, so user can earn money through referrals as well. So this is some other section you can add about your achievements. You can add customer feedbacks. Here are the benefits. You can add them from admin panel. You can add frequently asked questions from admin. And these are all the other sections. Subscriber, you can add the contact details, social media links. User can join your community. So this was all about the home page, and everything that is on the home page is changeable from admin panel. Here is about section, so user can visit these pages separately as well. Here user can visit plan page. Similarly, user can visit blog and contact page on the website. So this is the blog page. You can see it over here. And similarly, this is a contact page, and a user can visit these pages separately. You can list your contact details and user can contact you. Viewers, let me tell you, there are multiple languages on the website. Currently there is only two languages, Arabic and English. But if you want to insert your any country language, you can insert them from admin panel. It's very simple to add a language on the website. You can use this website in any of your country language. Here you can see there is a login and register option, so we'll go to it. If user already have an account, user can register, log in with existing details. But if user don't have an account, user can go to sign up and user can create account. So here we will create account. So currently I am entering demo details. So just to show you how you can create the account on the website. If you have a refer code, you can add refer code here. If you don't have refer code, that's fine. You can just log in directly without refer code. After entering these details, click on create account and it will create your account. So you can see that how amazing its dashboard is. It is a completely mobile friendly website. Let me show you how it looks like in mobile. So mobile users can also easily use this website. So no issue with mobile. So mobile users can also easily use this website. So its look is an amazing look. First of all, on user dashboard, first of all, user can see the total balance on the website, viewed ad on the website, transaction. Here user can see its total deposits on the website, earnings on the website, referral, withdrawal, support tickets. So every detail user can see right here on its dashboard, and user can see the notification from admin as well. So here is a subscription option. So here user can go to subscription and subscribe to plans on the website. So user can click on subscribe plan and subscribe to plan using balance or direct through gateway. Here is deposit option. So user can deposit money on the website using different gateways. So currently there are two different gateways available. Viewers, there are many automatic payment gateways for both withdrawal and deposit. So user can use them on admin panel. So I will show you how you can add them. So to deposit money, here enter the amount you want to deposit, enter your phone number, transaction ID, payment proof, and you can click on it and you can deposit money. And here you can see all the payment details over here in this section. and all the tax details will be shown over here. So here, this is how you can deposit money on the website. In fund transfer, user can fund transfer from one account to another account. Here you can see your earnings. So you can see all your earnings through ads, through referrals. Every earning will be shown you over here. So you can see ads earning, my earnings, and all ads earning. So if you want to insert the ad of your own, so you can create ads from ad here. So click on create ad, and from here you can create the ad. So users can also create ad. Here you can see all the ads according to your plan. So here you can see the ad over here. So you can click on view ad, and you can view the ad in this section. So this is the view ad view. So you can see all view ads over here. So this is how you can view ads, and similarly you can click this and view the ad. This is the transaction section. So here you will see all your transaction. Here you can see all your withdraw. So if you want to withdraw your money, you can come here. Currently there is no withdraw gateway, but we can make the withdraw gateway from admin panel. So you can withdraw any of the amount you want from here. Using user have to choose the gateway, and user can withdraw its amount. And here is referral section. So here user will see all the people he referred. This is the referral link. User can copy it from here and refer any people from using this link, and these are all the referral details over here. Here user can generate the support ticket. So click on create ticket, and user can generate support ticket. And here is a settings option. From here user can change his profile detail, password, KYC, ID verification. So everything admin user can manage them from here. Viewers, this was all about the user panel of this website. Now we will go to the admin panel of this website, and first of all let me just log out from here, and after that let's go to the admin login page. So to go to admin login page, we'll first go to our home page. So we'll type /admin. So here, this is our admin login page. Currently it's demo, so details are already entered. So here admin has to enter its email, enter its password, and when admin will click on login, so it will log into the admin panel. So we have successfully logged into this solid PTC amazing admin panel, from where we can completely control this website. So first of all, here admin can see the total users on the website, active user, disabled user, total staff members, total referrals, ads earning, total fund transfer, automatic gateways live, total tickets on the website. You can see the amazing site analytics things. You can do analytics of site over here. You can see all the users over here. So this is here you can see admin can see total pending ads, tickets, withdrawal request, KYC, deposits. Everything will be shown right here on the admin dashboard. Here admin can see the total notifications over here in this section. Viewers, here admin can go to customer section to view all the customers on the website. So these are all the customer accounts on the website, so admin can see and edit them over here. So we'll edit them, and admin can also send them emails here. So from here admin can log in as a user. From here admin can subtract or add or subtract funds from user account. So enter the funds you want to add or subtract. Admin can add or subtract them. Here admin can delete the user. Admin can see account balance, deactivate the user, verify their KYC, change their details, change their passwords. Whatever admin want to do with user, from here admin can do it. Admin can see all active, close, disabled, add customers. Admin can send them emails. Here admin can verify their KYC request, make KYC forms, etc. from here. Here is system access. So admin can give roles to its employees. So admin can give different roles like manager or super admin roles to its managers or staff. Here admin can see all the transactions on the website in this section. Here are the subscription plans. So currently there are 4 plans active on the website. You can deactivate them also. Now if you want to create a new plan, just click on add new, and by filling the name, description, ad limit, price, validity, withdrawal limit, a referral commission on the plan, you can easily make a new plan to your website, and it's very simple to manage. You don't need any coding knowledge, you don't need any other technical knowledge. You just have to create this site, or we will do it for you. So you don't need to worry about anything, and you can just manage this website. So this is an amazing PTC website. So here you can manage ads, user ads. So when user requests you create ad, it will come here, and you can verify the user ads from here. So here is an ad report, so you can see the report category, report list of your website directly from here. In automatic gateways, so you can manage all the automatic gateways, so you can see all the worldwide accepted payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, CoinGate, crypto payments, Now Payments, Binance, all of them were available. You can use these automatic gateways on your website easily. You just have to edit them and put your API keys and you're good to go. Here in deposit section, admin can create a deposit method. Like admin can use automatic payment gateways, or if you admin want to create a manual gateway, like if I want to create any manual gateway of our country like Easy Paisa, Jazz Cash, Paytm, or any other gateway, just click on add new and enter the image, name, currency, minimum, maximum deposit amount, instructions, and you can easily create a manual gateway on your website. So you can create as many as gateways or any gateway on this website. Here you can see all the requests of different user deposit requests. Click on this and you can approve the deposit. You can see all the proofs of deposit over here, and you can approve them and send them message or reject it. So this is how you can approve the pending manual deposit request. Here you can see deposit history. In withdraw, here you can go to automatic methods and you can create automatic withdraw method, or you can create a manual withdraw method. So from here you can insert a manual withdraw method in this section. Similarly, you can approve withdrawal request of user from pending withdrawal, so you can approve them or reject them. So here in withdrawal history you can see them. In referral section, you can create multiple levels of referral on deposit or on plan subscription. So you can see there are currently 2 levels of referral, but if you want to create a new, just go to it, add new, and you can create as many as number of referrals on deposit or plan subscription. So it completely depends on you. From site settings, basically you can change the site logo. So if you want to change the logo of website, you can directly change the logo from here. You can turn on off email verification, KYC verification, 2FA, OTP verification, account creation, user deposit. You can enable, disable these things. You can change the admin cover pictures. You can change the name of website. You can change the name of admin. You can change the currency of website. You can change the time zone. You can change the default mode on the website. Here you can select the default page that will open on your website. So basically these are all the system settings. These are the ad settings. You can manage ad prices from here. So you can see all the ad prices, script ad, link ad, YouTube video ads, withdrawal limits. Here you can select the site bonus for free. So you can select the referral bonus, sign up bonus, everything you can select them up from here, or registration bonus. And these are all the different site maintenance mode, and these are all the settings. GDPR cookie, you can turn them on, off, you can change them from here. So these are all the site settings. You can manage email settings, you can manage the SEO related activities, you can insert the language on your website. As I told you, from language settings you can insert language on your website. So here you can see currently there are 2 languages, English and Arabic, but if you want to insert new language, click on add new, and by filling these simple details like language name, code, you can insert a new language to your website. So it's very simple to create a language on website. Here these are all the page settings. You can manage page settings, SMS settings, notification, and everything you can manage them from here. Here is appearances. So let's go to site theme. So here you can see there are 2 different themes on website. Now if you want to use this theme, you can use this, or if you want to use this, just click on activate and you can activate any theme you want. Just click on it and you can activate them. So you can just click and activate them. After that, let's go here, and here you can set the dynamic landing page. You can change custom CSS. Here's landing page setting. As I told you, everything that is on the website is changeable. So here you can see all the sections that are on your home page. If you want to edit any section like hero section, about a section, plan section, every section is editable. Suppose I want to edit about section, so I'll click it. So here this is about a section. You can see all the details of about a section is here. So if I want to edit it, I can easily edit about a section. Here is image, just click on it and you can update the images. Similarly, all the sections are editable. These are the pages. If you want to edit blog, any of the page, you can edit them from here. So here are site navigation. This is a template setting, so you can set them. So viewers, in this video I guided you about each and everything about related to this website. If you want to purchase this website from us, you can contact us on WhatsApp or Telegram. Both links are in description and we will build it for you. I hope you like the video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.